Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab yourself a sweet tea and come see where we've been to this time. Today we are at Uranus, Missouri on Route 66. They have everything from Fudge at the general store, a sideshow exhibit, ice cream shop, and much more. They have this sign telling how far to other locations on Route 66, as well as beautiful painted picnic tables. Pops got a kick out of these books at the general store. I spotted some taxidermy animals, and then they also have a plushie of the mayor of Uranus. There is a taxidermy rattlesnake here, but over on the other wall, they have baby rattlers. Alright, y'all. This is something Pops would do, but I have to admit it did make me laugh. Now let's check out the Uranus jail.
I didn't do it. Okay, maybe I did. I did do it.
Y'all watch this. Sis didn't know what to expect. This here's the ice cream shop. We didn't get any, and honestly, I think we all regretted not getting some. Uranus is a fun place to visit. If y'all are traveling Route 66 in Missouri, this place is worth the stop. Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here, or if there is something that we missed.